it's Jackie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to get this JLo inspired makeup look from her music video, El Anillo. So if you'd like to learn how to get this look, just keep on watching. First, you're going to want to tie your hair back and maybe use a headband to prevent your hair from getting in the way and to prevent you from missing any spots during application. For primer, I will be using my e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer and applying that all over my face. Taking my smooth canvas longwear shadow primer in the color Bisque and a small flat end brush, I will be applying this to any blemishes and other problem areas I don't want to be shown. I found this technique helps the foundation from sliding off while also providing a little more coverage. Because this product is quite thick in consistency, I also use the tips of my fingers to help warm the product and melt it into my skin. Next, I will be applying my Photo Focus Foundation by Wet n Wild in the color Soft Beige. This color is a few shades darker than my natural skin tone, but I am using this color to give me a little bit more of a honey colored complexion like JLo without it looking too overbearing and unnatural. Taking a damp beauty blender, I will blend out my foundation. I use this technique to avoid any streaks and to give the skin a little more of a healthy glow. It's really important to blend your foundation down to your neck and as well as your ears, especially if you decide to use a foundation a few shades darker. Taking my fingers and a little more foundation, I will be applying this to my problem areas as well as my under eyes. Once again, I use my fingers because it helps to melt the product into my skin and prevents it from sliding off. Upon oxidation, this foundation can come off a little orangey on my skin tone. Using my Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc Free Face Powder and Translucent Light not only helps to diminish the orange appearance, it also helps my foundation to remain in place and control oil. If you also have combination skin, I suggest using a powder puff or beauty sponge like me to apply your powder. This helps to really press the powder into your skin. Be sure to focus on your blemishes, T-zone, and anywhere you get oily. To prime my eyelids, I am going to be using my Pure Cosmetics Cease Crease Eyeshadow Primer. Because I will also be lining my lower lash line with eyeshadow, I will be applying a thin line there as well. Taking my Trolls palette by Pure Cosmetics and a fluffy brush, I will be using the color Poppy and lightly dusting it all over my eyelids. This will be the base of your look, so you don't want it to be too intensified. If you don't have this palette, as it is limited edition, just use any bright pink shadow. I have applied tape to the sides of my face to provide me with more precision, as the next few shadows will be darker in color. Taking my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette by BH Cosmetics and a flat eyeshadow brush, I will be packing on this matte burgundy shade on the outer 2/3 of my eyelid and along my crease. Next, going in with a fluffy blending brush, I will begin to blend out the eyeshadow. Taking my flat end eyeshadow brush, I will be applying this matte brown eyeshadow to my outer corners. Using the same technique as before, I will blend the brown eyeshadow with a fluffy brush. Next, taking this peachy pink shimmer eyeshadow, I will be applying this to the inner corners of my eyes using my fingers to provide maximum pigmentation. Using a clean fluffy brush, I will blend out the shimmer eyeshadow to provide a nice transition between the shimmer eyeshadow and the burgundy color. After removing the tape, I realized I went a little overboard on the height of the eyeshadow, so I am going to clean it up with a makeup wipe. Be sure to go a little at a time so you don't take away too much. To help soften the edges from the makeup wipe and to provide a nice transition shade, I will be applying this matte taupe eyeshadow along my entire crease using a blending brush. Taking the same matte brown eyeshadow we used earlier and a flat eyeshadow brush, I am going to line the outer corners of my lower lash line. Next, taking the matte burgundy eyeshadow from before, I am going to line the center of my lower lash line. Last but not least, taking the peachy pink shimmer eyeshadow, I will line my inner corners. Taking my eyeliner slash brow pencil by LA Colors, I will line both my lower and upper waterline. Try to avoid tugging your lids with your fingers, as this can lead to wrinkles and premature aging. Taking my eyelash curler from Forever 21, I will curl my eyelashes. To get a good strong curl, I will continue to open and close my curler gently. Next, using my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, I will coat both my upper and lower lashes. I applied multiple coats of mascara on my top lashes and applied fewer on the lower lashes, using an almost sweeping technique. Using my Mineral Wear Talc-Free Bronzer in the color Light by Physicians Formula and a large flat foundation brush, I will lightly contour my cheeks, jawline, temple, and nose. Using a smaller eyeshadow brush, I will contour my nose by lightly dusting the two sides of my nose, starting from my eyebrows to the very bottom, forming a U shape. I will also make a horizontal line across the top of my nose. Taking my Mineral Wear Talc-Free Blush in the color Natural by Physicians Formula, I will apply this to the apples of my cheeks. To prep my lips, I will be applying my Pure Minerals Lip Balm. Taking my Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the color Gone Burgundy, I will outline and fill in my lips. This will help prevent the lipstick from going all over the place during application, as well as help the overall appearance in case your lipstick starts to wear off. Next, I will be taking my Cream Luxe lipstick in the color Moody Merlot by Beige Cosmetics and applying it to my lips. Taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette, I am going to be taking the color Sweet Peony to highlight my cheekbones, the center of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow. To finish the look, I am going to be taking my Pure Minerals Lip Gloss in Vanilla Glaze for extra shine. To prevent the color from smearing, I use a dabbing motion. I chose to add the lip gloss last to avoid a sticky mess when highlighting my Cupid's bow. And your look is finally complete. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this JLo inspired makeup look. All the products that I've used, including where to get this lovely crown, is located in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!